One-tap controls. To make smart home controls even simpler, mydlink lets you bundle and set off multiple actions with just one tap. To get started, tap the one-tap icon. Choose from one of 5 preset scenes. In this example, we'll use the home scene. Tap Edit. Select the automation you want to control with this one tap. Then add one or more actions. Actions allow you to activate or deactivate individual devices in your automation. Set whether you want the automation to be turned on or off by the one tap. For example, the Home one tap turns on the smart strip and disables privacy mode on the camera. With that, you've created a one-tap control. Once you've set up your one-tap controls, you can access them quickly from the home screen.